I don't know what type of birds these are. I can't get close enough to see what they are, but you can hear them chirping away. Ooh, that's an unusual one. You can't see it, but I can. He's black on the top and looks like it almost looks like he was red underneath. That was really unusual. Wow. Oh, anyway, if you like my videos, subscribe to my channel, Remote-Backroad-Jungles, and with a dash in between each word. And my link is www.youtube.com/@hiddenoasis-secret pathfinder. And I'm going to try and get some more